One of the things we always need to do is purge, particularly when we're bringing new things in. So in this video, I am going to purge some lipsticks. If you want to see me take care of that, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. I have so many lipsticks. They are spilling out everywhere. Let me just show you a little bit of my collection. I've got these lipsticks here, and these are the ones I tend to reach for on a day-to-day basis. But I guess actually I don't, because the ones that I reach for on a day-to-day basis are lined up on the wall in the bathroom. And then I've got lipsticks upstairs and lipsticks in my purse. I've got too many lipsticks, and I need to get rid of some of them, particularly since Ulta always has a lipstick sale during the Christmas season. And I plan to drop in and pick up at least 3 more. So I thought when Marie's DIY and Brown Eyes on a Budget hosted this challenge to go out with the old and in with the new, I thought it was perfect. The perfect time for me to purge some lipsticks. So let's get it started. So these are all the lipsticks that I'm going to look at right now. I'm going to use this basket for the ones that I'm keeping and this basket for the ones that I'm not keeping. My sister wants to look at all the pink ones. So maybe no. This is one I got in one of my Glossyboxes. It's a pretty nice neutral. Keeping. I never even opened this one. Lady and the Vamp. Kind of a deep purple. Probably not one that I would wear very often. Ooh. Keeping. Lip Glide by Maymay. It's probably this color. I've had this one for a while. It came in one of my boxes. Maybe this Too Faced Melted Candy is the color. Ooh, look at that. Oh, lip primer. These are 2 new boxes. I'll check those out in a minute. This is another melted. Oh, I think I like that color. That's very nice. I'll let my sister try that one. This is a really nice one. Look at that. It's called Huzzy by Merle Norman. Some of these fancy ones I got in kits. It's awfully pale. I think she might like that one too. Well, this is mascara. Huh, what's it doing in here? Oh, look at that. Now this is Tyra Banks. And the color is Lip Model, so I will definitely be keeping that. That is gorgeous. Smashbox Chestnut. It's a great color. Doesn't look like I'm pitching very many, does it? Cherry's Jubilee, but man, that looks dark. Let's see. Oh, there we go right there. That's definitely a vamp color. Tom Ford, Lippin Boys, and this one is Diego. Cream Shears, Midnight Bloom, Avon Berry Berry. Well, I've got through all my lipsticks that I plan to go through tonight. These are the ones I'm keeping. These are the ones I'm discarding. These are the ones that I'm taking to my sister to see if she wants to give them a try. So, I purged as I plan to do. I'm going to put some of these back over here on this rack, and then I've got a couple of, lipstick case upstairs that the ones that don't go in here that I won't use often is going to go in, because I guess really I don't need all these reds down here at one time. So I'll choose maybe 3 reds to keep down here, but put the rest back upstairs. So there you have it. Keeping, tossing. Sharing. Look at my arm. I tried all those different lip colors on my arm to see which ones I wanted to keep and which ones I didn't. So my husband just came home a minute ago, and when I opened the door, and it was dark on the porch, but he saw my arm and he was like, "What the heck?"
I said, "Hell."
Well, he said, "What the
hell?"
Anyway, he was a little bit surprised when he saw my arm. I want to take this opportunity to thank Marie and Brown Eyes on a Budget for hosting this challenge. I probably would not have done this. I would have just stuck those new lipsticks in with the ones that I already had, and then continue to knock them over and have them spilling everywhere when I'm trying to get ready in the morning. So thank you, Marie and Brown Eyes on a Budget, for giving me the that I needed to purge some of these lipsticks. If you are not familiar with either one of their channels, I will link them below so that you can check them out. They do DIY and they do other challenges, all kinds of fun stuff over there. So please check them out. And I will also link the playlist below when it is available. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in another video.